how to find promo codes for the Costco website or platform. So let's start this video. Open your browser and search for Costco promo code on your Safari or any of the browser on your PC, and then click on any of the random website from the first menu. As you can see, we can see there is a lot of coupon and the promo codes available here that will give us the discount, the different discount features for $600 up to off, to get $45 off, to save $30, to save $40 on the different platforms here on the code. Now to copy a promo code, you have to click on this blue option on the right of every coupon code here, that is show coupon code. Whenever you will click on it, you will see the code in front of you. You can copy it from here, and then you can simply go to the Costco website, purchase a product, and then you can apply it while doing a payment on your website. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.